Hi guys! So,
Made some food.
I made some Filipino kamote Q. Char. So guys, ano to siya? Asukal na may kamote. Char. No, because the name of this one is supposed to be kamote Q.
Okay.
But mine is like a lot of sugar, guys. Ayan.
Oh, is that what that is?
So, instead of like kamote with a brown sugar, mine is a brown sugar with kamote.
Oh.
So guys, I'll let Dominic try, guys. Dominic don't like sweets, but
I like sweets. It's just they don't like me.
yeah. So, Kubebe, you should try. Ayan, guys. Ang daming asukal.
Looks
Okay,
very good.
you try, baby.
Want that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, sobra. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, ang daming brown sugar. How is it?
A lot of brown sugar.
A lot. It's too sweet, no?
No, it's so good.
I normally cook like
Good.
sweet potato for Dominic, guys, but no sugar.
This is a dessert right here.
Yeah, this is like a dessert.
It's
This
good,
is
though.
like snacks back home.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
You finish one?
Yeah. Definitely sugar.
So this is just for me, guys. Can't wait for our baby. Me and my baby will eat this.
So you can share Filipino food?
Yeah, we're gonna do